Today we would like to show you the standard jar test, because every time when we make a new tank mix with unknown products or we use a different water source, it's good always to make the standard jar test. And it's actually quite simple. So you just use the water that you usually use for spraying, like we have it here, and at the moment is at 16 degrees. That is quite warm and good. And then we just pretend this jar is your tank in the sprayer. So let's say we make a spring start spray and our tank has 500 liters. So we make an application in 500 liters of water per hectare. So for this test, we fill it half with water. So that would be to 250. And then we have in this mix a mixture of a 10-11, an NPK fertilizer. Then we have PHB, the plant health booster, and OXT, the oxygen for turf. So we will just put in the amounts that we use for this mix, like 10-11 with 20 liter per hectare. So that equals 20 milliliter that we put into the mix. Then we have the plant health booster with 10 liter per hectare, that equals 10 milliliter. And we have the OXT with 20 liter per hectare, so that would be 20 milliliter. So let's just go ahead. We start with the first product, starting with the lowest pH, then the next little bit higher pH, and then the highest pH product will be at the end. So we start with a 10-11 or 10-19 with 20 liters per hectare or 20 milliliter in this example. So it's a little bit a mess, but it's really easy to do. So you see we have 20 milliliters of the product that equals 20 liter per hectare. And we just put it into the mix. And in the real world now you would have the agitation on in your sprayer. So you mix this product until it's completely dissolved in the spray tank. After it's completely mixed, you go ahead with the second product, and this is now the plant health booster, and we take 10 liter per hectare, so that equals 10 milliliter in this test. Yeah, 10 milliliter, so we drop it in. And we don't forget to mix until it's completely dissolved in the mix. The solution is clear, no problem with this mix. Now we add the third product, that is the OXT, oxygen for turf, and we have an application rate of 20 liter per hectare. This equals 20 milliliter. We have 20 milliliter, and we just put it in. And you see we have quite some product in the mix already. And we just go ahead and stir it. And now we fill it up with water to the intended application rate of application in 500 liters of water per hectare. So we just fill it up to 500. And we mix. And now we will start the timer, because we want to see if the solution is stable even after 15 minutes. So we just wait for 15 minutes. If there's not any fallout, anything looking bad after 15 minutes, and then we will come back. So now we have come back after 15 minutes, and the time is actually gone, and we see the mix is clear. Nothing has happened, so it should be good to go. So that's how you do a simple jar test before any new mixture for your tank mix.